One sunny afternoon, a little boy named Leo found a small, lonely puppy sitting near the old wooden gate. The poor puppy looked very hungry and was shivering slightly because a cold wind was blowing through the trees. Leo gently picked up the puppy in his arms and carried it safely into his warm and cozy house. He gave the hungry puppy a small bowl of warm milk and a piece of soft bread to eat. The happy puppy wagged its short tail quickly and licked Leo's hand to show its love and great joy. Leo named his new little friend Max and made a comfortable bed for him using a soft old blanket. Every evening after finishing his school homework, Leo played happily with Max in the big green backyard of house. They ran around the tall trees and chased colorful plastic balls until the bright sun went down completely to night. Max grew up to be a very smart, loyal dog who always walked beside Leo and protected him safely. True friendship brings immense happiness and changes our lives in the most beautiful ways we can ever imagine now. Great job, friends! You read the story very well. Keep reading English every day. Subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Bye!